How to find blocked user list on REDnote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find the list of blocked users on your REDnote app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your REDnote app. Make sure that you are logged into your account, and after you've done that, simply tap on the Me icon that is on the bottom right corner. After you tap on it, you will see an option called Edit Profile, and right beside that, you will see a settings icon. Now simply tap on the settings icon, and after you're there, you are now on the settings page. After you're here, head over to privacy settings. Now, before I tell you guys what to do next, if you guys are new to Net Nimble, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. So let's continue. After you're on privacy settings, scroll down, and under relationship section, you will find blocked users. Head over to blocked users to find the list of people that you have blocked. And yeah, it's that simple, and that is basically all for the video too, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.